Genie has been around for 100 years, and we're thrilled about that 100th anniversary. We like to talk about the legacy of innovation. We were the first ones to create the garage door opener in 1954, and we were one of the innovators with the BILT technology, attaching it to our operators to make it easier for our customers, particularly in the do-it-yourself marketplace, to install their own garage door opener. Step-by-step 3D animation, easy and accessible, and who isn't using their phone anyway?
What I like about the BILT app is the simple step-by-step instructions that make the process so easy for a consumer. Even somebody that doesn't do a project like this jumps on it right away, and they do a great job with it, all because of the app.
Customer feedback for the BILT application has been fantastic. Not only from consumers, but also from our internal folks in customer service. Some of the things that our consumers have said, the step-by-step instructions were so simple, the installation was so easy, and the brand new opener is so quiet.
Download the app, you're going to love it, you're going to have the best experience ever.